3D printer extruder. Today, I'll reveal some hidden secrets about the extruder you probably didn't know. If you happen to be replacing your extruder gears, this should be helpful for you. The gears inside push filament out the nozzle. After long-term use, the gears will inevitably wear down, which affects printing precision. Let's first look at where the gear part is most prone to damage. This gear printed 30 kilograms of filament and shows visible wear. This gear is standard on the Bambu Lab P1S. The metal is not hardened stainless steel, so under long-term high-speed printing, the meshing parts gradually wear down. This is the hardened steel gear. It comes standard on the flagship X1C. After switching to the hardened steel gear, does long-term printing still cause wear? Is the issue of metal gear wear truly resolved for good? From the outside it looks fine, but it seems a bit loose. You never know until you take it apart, and the result is quite shocking. The gear hole and shaft are badly worn. If you embed a standard bearing into the loose gear, the problem is solved. This ensures long-term precision and reliability. A more reliable bearing, plus applying lubricant to the gear, can greatly extend the service life of the extruder gears. Interested in this extruder with bearings? Leave a comment. Should we develop this?